Hey. Yeah, I know, buddy. I know, you want to be on camera? I think he wants to be on camera. Let's do it. Meet From. This is my guinea pig. And I had him for like 3 years. From is a polar bear story in Romania with an orphan polar bear. And at the store they told me nobody wanted From because he was albino. And I was looking for a buddy for my other guinea pig that passed away. And I just got him. And look how cute he is. I love him. I film next to him now, so sometimes you'll hear him in my videos. But yeah, say hi. Now you don't want to talk no more? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now he wants to talk. I guess we gotta wait until he's done. Let's see here. Is that it? Oh. Tell me more. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Karina Bonaduc, and this week we're gonna be talking about all the things that went bad during renovation this past week.
Wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place.
I was gonna make a regular YouTube video where I DIY some stuff because I did, but there's a lot of editing involved, and I just contemplated over everything that happened over the past week. And initially the video was gonna be called Bad Things Come in Threes, but then I started editing and I realized way more than 3 things that happened that were bad in the past week and a half. The first thing is this shower. I found this outside piping shower in Old Rob Bronze for my master bathroom, and I fell in love with it and I was like, I want it. It was less than 200 bucks and I bought it. Initially we were gonna install it, but we needed an extension. There was no way around it. I'm 5'11", and yeah, it was definitely not tall enough. So I ordered the extension and the seller was very nice and they refunded me for the extension. It does not match 100%. Like, I feel like it's skinnier, but I know I'm nitpicking at stuff because I see them. Like, I am there every day and I'm doing a lot of it too, so that's why. But let's talk about installing this shower, okay? So the bottom part was installed, and then we had to break the tile because it was not installed far enough or like outside enough. After you put the tile on, you could not connect the rest of the shower to it. So the plumber had to come, break tile, I had to fix the tile, had to wait for the tile to be done. And then the plumber could not figure out that there was a pipe. So I had the extension pipe, but there's also more extension inside the pipe. So you just had to unscrew the top part, and then ta-da, there was like another foot and some change of piping in there. So the shower would have been tall enough and I could have had a shower like, I don't know, a week and a half ago, but I went without a shower for an extra 4 days because of that thing. And then it was installed wrong and there was holes in my tile that the plumber tried to correct with caulking, and that just won't do. I'm trying to have a nice bathroom and I can't live with it like that. Like, I know I'm a perfectionist, but still, that was looking horrible. So guess what? We had to break tile one more time. So we had to patch the tile, grout the tile, and then install the shower right. But then I didn't have a light in there, and after the plumber left, I noticed that there was this blue band that you can see around it, and obviously I can't live with that either, so the plumber had to come back. The shower is finally how it's supposed to be, and it's working really nice. I still haven't taken a shower in its full glory. I'm just using the little handle because a bathroom reveal video is coming where I'm gonna do all of that. And let me talk about something else because I gotta break tile again. I had 3 plumbers and the first one installed the faucets for the sink. I showed him the vanity, I showed him the vessel sink that I'm gonna be putting on top of the countertop. The countertop is another 2 inches and my faucet is way too low. I can't install it. Like, even if it's like right on the brim of the vessel sink, you still can't install it. If I am to leave it as it is, I have to get a new cabinet, new countertop, new sink, and that's just, I'm not gonna do that. I had a vision in mind, so I gotta put the faucet higher. So that means I gotta break tile again. The plumber has to come back again and put my faucet higher. So that's gonna be a project either maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. And then hopefully in a couple weeks I can take showers like a regular human being and have functioning everything with a door and everything that a bathroom should be. On the other side of the house, the electrician came and installed my light in the laundry room and did this to my laundry. The laundry machine. I wanted to say my dryer. But yeah, brand new dryer, and it is all bumped. So now they're working on buying me a new dryer. The good thing is they're a very good company and they are working on repairing it, and like the electrician is the one choice that I made that I'm not really regretting because they've provided a very good service. So they will be getting a really good Google review. What else happened? Oh, I got my kitchen cabinets, and I got 2 cabinets that were the wrong order, and I couldn't have a sink installed. So I've lived without a sink for 16 days, and now I have a temporary. I have a temporary countertop with a temporary sink. So I have a sink in the kitchen. I also don't have a microwave still, which I really miss because I do eat a lot of frozen food. I know it's not good for me, but it's easy. You just put it in the microwave. But the cabinet above the microwave is 3 inches too low, so the microwave would have been sticking out, and that just doesn't look right. So I have to wait for those 2 cabinets. They said before the pandemic it was taking like 2 weeks to get them, but with pandemic times it's sometimes 3 or 4 weeks. So this is what I have to deal with, and I feel like something else happened. My face started breaking out. I know you can tell right now because my makeup skills are on fleek. Luckily, in my teenage years, I didn't have any pimples, never had acne problems, and now I'm breaking out because I'm stressed because it seemed like it was never gonna get less boxy. It seemed like I'm always gonna live with boxes and trash cans. Oh! I need some water. Okay, yeah, so it seemed like I was never gonna not live around boxes and trash bags, but I organized my closet and it's so pretty. I gotta edit that video for you guys, and yeah. So I woke up Wednesday morning and Thursday morning and I really didn't feel like doing anything. So what I did was I finished 2 TV shows. One is The 100, which I think it was one of the best season finales ever. And I know my channel is not about this, but I just had to mention it because it was such a good show and I love the ending. And then the other show that I finished was The Good Place, and that one didn't end up as good as I thought, but I still enjoyed it. And Kristen Bell, oh my god, I just love her so much. I finished the 2 TV series and I went to the beach, and I just want to say the one good thing about living in Myrtle Beach is that you can just go to the beach anytime, even in the morning. If it's like rainy, in the afternoon it's probably gonna be sunny. I know that thing is kind of true about Florida too, but Myrtle Beach is really bipolar when it comes to weather. So I did go to the beach and I'm gonna show you some footage of that. Yeah, next week I will show you some exciting things. I can't wait. In the meantime, make sure to follow me on Instagram so you can see what's happening throughout the week. The username is @KarinaBeneduc. I wanted to say .com. I don't have a .com yet, but you know, one day. And then make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what kind of content you want to see. And I will see you next Saturday. Take care. Mwah. Okay. I get distracted so easily, but